Ang bilis nga talaga ng panahon. Third quarter na naman ng grade 1. Hindi pa nga marunong mag-identify mga numbers. Eto na, nandito na tayo sa fraction. Pero wala tayong magagawa dahil ito ang MELC ng DepEd. The figure represents one whole. And then, when you are going to divide, magkakaroon tayo ng tinatawag na fraction. At kung may fraction, may parts ito. Kagaya nitong one whole, pag hinati natin ng dalawa, nagkakaroon ito ng dalawang part. Kung ilang parts meron, ito ang magiging denominator ng fraction. Sa ating example, hinati natin sa dalawa ang isang buo. Kaya meron tayong 1/2 at saka 1/2. There are two parts of a fraction. The number above the line is called numerator, while the number below the line is denominator. This is another example. It is divided into 4 parts. Therefore, one part is called 1/4. If we are talking about the fraction of red, then the answer is 1/4. And the fraction of the blue is 3/4. Can you tell me the fraction of the red part? The answer is 1/2. Can anyone tell me about the fraction that this figure represents? Correct, it's 1/2. How many 1/2 do we have here? There are 2 halves. What does this figure represent? It is 2/4. What fraction does the red represent? Yes, it's 1/4. How about the blue? It represents 3 parts of the 4 parts and it is called 3/4. Upang mas lalong maging mahusay ang inyong mga anak, subscribe lang po sa YouTube at TikTok. Walang kulalat sa math! Walang kulalat sa math! A campaign on numeracy brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Walang kulalat sa math!